This is my polisher, and it's what brings up the lovely bloom on my glass after I've finished cementing it. It's a vintage floor polisher, and it started to wear down, so that if there's a raised bit in my panel, these nuts just slightly catch on it, and it doesn't do any harm, but I don't like it. I can hear it, and it just sort of dings it. So I went on eBay looking for a replacement, and I came up with this. So I'm going to give this a go today and see how it works. But first of all, I'm going to remove the handle. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. It's got slotted screws on either side. So I'm going to take this out. Yay, that was easy. Okay, now I just have to take this off, which hopefully it just will unclip. So you can see there's a big slotted screw there. Oh, I'll get that in a minute. So that's got rid of the handle. Now it's got a button here. It's not plugged in at the moment, but that's how it's going to work. So I'm going to take it over to my glass now and see if it polishes as nicely as my old one. So let's give this a go. You have to keep it for quite a long time in the same position. Well, I did it with the old one. So I'm going to do just this one over here, and then we can compare it. So I'm just letting it ride, not putting any pressure on it. And it seems to be doing a beautiful job. So hopefully you can see that compared to that. And the longer I keep it in place, the better finish I'm going to get. So I'm very happy with this. That's a bit easier. I'm very happy with this. It cost me £8.50, and it was less than a mile from my home. So that was a real find. And it just takes all the hard work out of this stage of the process, and it does a lovely job. So I hope if you do any amount of this kind of work, you can find yourself one. They're called floor scrubbers or floor polishers. I put retro or vintage in front of it.